Okay, so in this video we want to talk about using something called the percent proportion, and all that is a way to remember how to calculate percents or a percent of a number, or given the percentage and a number, the whole. All right, so really what this is I have the percent proportion is the part of a whole number, say part of a pie if you want, or part of a pizza, over the whole is equal to my percent number over 100. And using this proportion, we can calculate any piece of this, okay? A couple other things that you need to remember is that the word of often means we're going to multiply. And the word is equals. Okay, so given this information, let's look at some examples. So we are asked to find, we are told that 15 is what percent of 20? So we're asked to find the percentage, or the percent number. So 15 is my part, my whole is 20. I know it's over 100, and I'm asked to find the percent number. Okay, and so if we do that math, we have 15 divided by 20 times 100, and that's going to give me that I have 75%, or 75 is my P, or is my 75%. Okay, so now we have, it says what percent of 5 is 12. Okay, so we can say, well, in this case, I'm multiplying the percent times the 5, I want it to equal 12, but really what they're saying is that my whole is 5. My 12 is the number that I'm trying to figure out what the percent is, and then I'm trying to figure out this, right? Well, percent of 5 is 12, because if we did this multiplication, we'd be saying 12 equals 5 times P over 100, okay? But now we just want to go ahead and solve for P. So this is kind of an aside. So if we solve this for P, we do 12 divided by 5 times 100, and our P is going to be 240. So that's 240%. Then we can look at it a different way. We're given the percent, and we're trying to find either the part of the whole. Now here we say, what number is 8.8% of 20? So now the 20 is my whole. I'm trying to find the part, and that's 8.8 is my percent number, is over 100. Okay, and again, if we do the math, we multiply 20 times 8.8 and divide by 100. And that gives us my part is 1.76. Okay, let me just double check all that. So I had 8.8 divided by 100 and times 20. Yes, 1.76. All right, so now we want to find 15.3% of 425. Again, since I'm multiplying the 425 times the percentage, I'm finding the part. My whole is 425. It's 15.3 over 100. We do the multiplication and the division, so I have 15.3 divided by 100 times 425, and I have 65.025. Okay. Then we are asked, are told that, are asked to find what number. So 70 is 28% of what number? So this time they're giving us the part of what number. That means that's my whole. All right, so in this case it's my W. I'm told that the percentage is 28%. So I have 28 over 100. And so now we want to say, well, that means I can cross multiply and divide. So I have 70 times 100 divided by 28. And so the whole in this case is 250. One last one. We have 30% of what number is 63? Again, so I'm told that 63 is 30% of some number. So I'm trying to find the whole again. And so now I have 63 times 100 divided by 30. And my whole is 210. Okay? So that should be enough so that we can start working on problems in class. See you then.